First problem, find the number of all four-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word equation, and how many of these words begin with E, how many end with N, and how many begin with E and end with N. So given question is, find the number of four-letter words which are formed by using the letters of the word equation. So here one word is given, that is the word is equation. So first here I write the given word. Given word is equation. So here in the given word we have 8 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is, here we take that n is equals to 8. The value of n is equals to 8. And the question is, find the number of 4-letter words. That is, we are taking 4-letter words from the 8 letters. That can be done in 8p4 ways. That is, therefore the number of 4-letter words is equals to the number of 4-letter words is equals to NPR, that is 8p4. So this is the number of 4-letter words formula. NPR, n is equals to 8, r is equals to 4. We want the 4-letter words, that is we take that r is equals to 4 here. And what is the first question? How many of these begin with E? That is, first case, the words begin with E. So here we take the 4-letter words, that is, first I take the 4 gaps here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we form the 4-letter words. Begin with E. Begin with E means first we fix the letter E at the first place. Begin with E, that is we fix the letter E in the first place. Now the remaining gaps is equals to here 3 gaps. So here total number of letters is equals to 8, but already we used the letter E. So how many number of remaining letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the remaining letters is equal to 7 and remaining gaps is equal to 3. Now these 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 7 letters in 7p3 ways. Letters is equal to 7, gaps is equal to 3. First we fix the letter E at the first place. Okay, fix the letter E at the starting. Since we want the words which are starting with the letter E, so for that first we fix the letter E at the starting. Now the remaining 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 7 letters. Already we used the letter E here, so the remaining letters is equals to 7, can be filled by the remaining 7 letters in 7p3 ways. Therefore number of words begin with E is equals to 7p3. And what is 7p3? Answer, 7 into 6 into 5 equals to 210. Next, second case. The second question is, how many end with N? That is, words end with N. Here also we are forming the 4-letter words. So I take the 4 gaps first and with N. That is, in the last place first we fix the letter N. Now the remaining 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 7 letters in 7p3 ways. The remaining gaps is equal to 3 and remaining letters is equals to 7. So first we fix the letter N at the ending. We fix the letter N at ending. That is at the last place. Here the remaining gaps are 3. Now the remaining 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 7 letters in 7p3 ways. So remaining 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 7 letters in 7p3 ways. Therefore number of words and with N is equals to 7p3. That is 7 into 6 into 5 equals to 210. Next, third question. Words begin with E and end with N. Words begin with E and with N. So here also first I take the 4 gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, the words begin with E, that is we fix the letter E at the starting, and end with N, that is we fix the letter N at the ending. Begin with E and end with N. So fix the letter E at the starting, fix the letter N at the ending. Now what are the remaining gaps here? The number of remaining gaps is equals to 2 and the remaining letters is equals to, in the term equation already we used 2 letters here, first letter, last letter. Now the remaining letters is equal to 6, remaining gaps is equals to 2. Now we can fill these 2 gaps by the remaining 6 letters in 6 P2 ways. So first we fix the E and N at first and last places. So we fix the letters E and N at the first and last places. Now the remaining 2 gaps can be filled by the remaining 6 letters in 6 P2 ways. In 6 P2 ways. Therefore, number of words begin with E and end with N is equals to, begin with E and end with N is equals to 6 P2, that is 6 into 5 is equals to 30. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word mixer which contain the letter X and don't contain the letter X. So find the number of 4-letter words. We want the 4-letter words from the letters of the word mixer. We are taking the letters from this word mixer. So first I write the given word here. Given word is mixer. M-I-X-T-U-R-E. That is, here we have 7 letters. That is, N is equals to 7. Now what's the given question? Find the number of 4-letter words. We want the 4-letter words. Condition is which contains the letter X. So first one, contain the letter X. We are forming the words which contains the letter X. So first I take 4 gaps here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So contain the letter X means first we can fill the letter X in the gaps, either in the first gap or second gap or third gap or fourth gap. That is, we can fix the letter X in 4 ways. First we can fix the letter X any of the 4 gaps in 4 ways. Either we fix the letter in the first gap or in the second gap or in the third gap or in the fourth gap. That is, we can fix the letter X in any of the 4 gaps in 4 ways. So first, suppose if I take the letter in the first gap. Okay. Now the remaining gaps is equals to 3 and the remaining letters is equal to 6. We fixed this letter. So remaining letters is equal to 6. Remaining gaps is equal to 3. Now we can fill these 3 gaps with the remaining 6 letters in 6 P3 ways. Now the remaining 3 gaps can be filled by the remaining 6 letters in 6 P3 ways. Therefore, the number of words contain the letter X is equals to 4 into 6 P3. First answer 4, second answer 6p3. 4 into 6p3. That is 4 into 6 into 5 into 4. 6p3. 6 into 5 into 4. 20, 120, 480. Equals to 480. So this is the answer. Now second condition, which don't contain the letter X. So here also we are forming the 4-letter words but don't containing the letter X. So first I take the 4 gaps here. We want the 4-letter word. So given word is mixer. So don't contain the letter X means first we remove the letter X from the given letters. That is given word. We remove the letter X. Now what are the remaining letters here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining letters is equal to 6 here. Now we can fill these 4 gaps by the remaining 6 letters. So that can be done in 6P4 ways. Gaps is equal to 4, letters is equal to 6. So number of ways is equal to 6P4. Therefore, First we remove the letter X. Since don't contain the letter X, that is first we remove the letter X from the given letters. Now the 4 gaps can be filled by the remaining 6 letters in 6p4 ways. So this is the answer. Therefore, number of words don't contain the letter X is equals to 6p4. That is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 equals to 360. That's all. This is answer.